Okay, let's start. So our roadmap is what? Our first of all, just trying to understand the roadmap. Our roadmap is first of all we have to learn HTML, then we have to learn CSS, Bootstrap. Then after this we have to learn the JavaScript, the scripting technology, the scripting language. Then we have to learn after the JavaScript. Then we have to learn the Java, the language. We have to learn basic Java and also the advanced Java, and then after that the Spring Boot, one backend framework, that is the Spring Boot. So if you don't learn Java, then you cannot learn Spring Boot. So that is the roadmap. So first of all, let's start with the HTML. That's it. And okay, so anyone know what is HTML and all? Just a little bit introduction. If you know, you can give. Anyone?
HTML is hypertext markup language.
Yes.
It is for the website design part only.
Okay.
Like body, website body only.
And do you know what is CSS and Bootstrap?
CSS is basically cascading style sheet that is design purpose in the website. Color or
Yes, it's for attractiveness of the website. We can use CSS.
yes.
And what is JavaScript? Anyone know what is JavaScript?
JavaScript basically it adds the functionality in the website.
Yes,
web application.
it has different function, and we can
Yes.
use with this function. So in the HTML also we can use in the HTML that we can use the JavaScript in the HTML. It is actually it's a scripting language, because nowadays what you just have the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You don't go through the depth, but you just have knowledge HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then we go for Java one. And I think you know what is Java. So, Orgodip, can you please tell what is Java?
Java is basically object-oriented language. Its main functionality is it is work with object, real-time object.
Yes, and it has object. Suppose we have so many objects like your mobile, your laptop. These are all your objects. So Java work with the objects. So that is called why it is called object-oriented programming language, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now after the Java, we just go to the Spring Boot. Spring Boot is what? Spring Boot is a backend framework actually. Spring Boot is what? Spring Boot is a backend framework. With this, it has so many annotations. With the annotations, it has IOC container. One is Bitfactory and application context. There are two types of IOC containers in the Spring Boot. So when we go to the Spring Boot, then we will understand. Then we will create one Spring Starter project, and then we create Spring Boot Starter project. We will definitely understand what is Spring Boot. It is actually a backend framework. It will fetch the data from the database. Suppose we create one database, then it will fetch the data from database. It will create the data, update the data, and just like the CRUD application. All the CRUD application you can go through as a backend for using the Spring application or Spring Boot framework. So in the web-based app, mainly it is used for web-based application. So first of all, this is introduction class. So today, first of all, I need to install. I want all of you install the Eclipse IDE first of all. So without the IDE, we cannot do coding. So it is you can do coding in the console or in the command prompt, but it is not the standard practice in IT industry. So what is the standard practice? The standard practice, you can use any tool. It is maybe Eclipse, it's maybe Sublime Text, or it is maybe there are so many different IDEs. IDE means integrated development environment. That is called IDE. So in that IDE, we can compile the program, we can write the program, compile the program, and run the program in that IDE. And IDE means integrated development environment. That's called IDE. And another is VS Code. The most popular is VS Code. You can also download VS Code. But I say all of you, first task is all of you, please download the Eclipse ID. Okay, so anyone please share your screen so I can guide him, and he is doing. So others can see, and also done the installation of the ID in their system. Okay, so who can share?
I have already installed.
Okay, you have already installed. Very good. Okay, so who does not have ID? Who does not have Eclipse? Please tell me.
I don't have, sir.
Okay, Vikram, please share your screen. First of all, please go to the Google, go to the browser. Then just write download Eclipse ID. So it is mainly the introduction class today. So because it is the first class, so first of all we have to ready our machine. So that's why we just first of all we have to install. That's why we have to install Eclipse ID. Yes, Eclipse ID is. Yes, just go to this. Yes, just go to the first one. Okay, just you see here the right side, download links, Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. 64-bit, okay, so you can download 86, 64, yes. Okay, so it is the zip file. So you can you scroll down? Can you scroll down? Okay, let it finish the download. Then it is actually zip file. So we have to extract the zip file to get the installation file. That .exe file. Okay, so parallel way, who does not have Eclipse, who can download and install the Eclipse parallel. Just like Vikram is already doing. Okay, after finishing this big term, you can go to the open the folder. Just extract this where you can just open the file. Open the file. Just uh, just expand the window. Expand the window. Yes. So one is application. You see here the installation file. The Eclipse. Just Eclipse application. You see here. No, not that one. Just Eclipse application 113 KB. That file. Yes, is that. You have to open this. Extract. Okay, you have to extract first. So extract this. Where we can keep the file, you can keep and then extract this. Okay, now where you just extract this file here. Yes, this one. This one. Just double click this and it will be automatically start the install. I think already it is running in somewhere. Just please check this.
তাও এই দুধটা আনা বেটার, ওই দুধ সালা কেটে যাচ্ছে। এটা গিয়ে লস হয়ে যাচ্ছে। অনেক কম ছিল লস করা।
Yes, open. I think if it's launch actually. Vikram. Hello, Vikram. Okay, what is your extract files? When the file extract, then what is the location of that file? Extract files location. Okay, anyone does not have Eclipse?
Yes, sir.
No, Orgudeep, I think you have. Okay,
Yes,
who
sir.
does not? Okay, who does not have Eclipse except Vikram? Joy, you have? Hello, Joy.
Yes, sir.
You have Eclipse?
No, sir.
Okay, then please share your screen. Okay, Vikram, please stop share. Vikram, please try to solve. Joy, please share your screen. Yes, install this. No, 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 not that. Not that. You already download, right?
सर
Yes.
सही इस पे जाके और कुछ नहीं हो रहा
Have you properly download?
Yes, sir. That is
What is you extract the file. You extract the download file.
yes, sir. Now that is installed.
Yes, that need to be installed, but it is not coming actually. What is the problem?
Uh,
Not coming the installation page. Yes, yes, this one. Just click this. Yes, download this. Remove the previous one. Yes, remove that also. That is the old one. So we have to remove the old one. Okay, what about the rest one? What you have started the installing? Devajyoti Mishra.
okay, sir.
No, you just not stop, sir. Keep it. Devajyoti Mishra, have you installed?
Here it is, sir. It is downloading because of my network is very poor, sir.
Okay. Devendra, what is your status?
Sir,
Yes.
I am not using PC.
So you are not joining in PC.
Yes,
Okay, so
but
yes, tell me.
if use a VS Code editor,
Yes, yes. Obviously, you use the VS Code. VS Code is also very good. You use VS Code, no problem. Okay, those who have VS Code, that will be very good. So no need to install IDE, but no need to install Eclipse. But who does not have anything, who doesn't have Eclipse or VS Code, they can download Eclipse.
Sir, can we use IntelliJ IDEA or NetBeans?
Yes, NetBeans you can use, but the better practice is standard the VS Code or Eclipse. So
Okay, sir.
yes, so you have so you can download VS Code also. VS Code is I think is very easy to manage.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, same issue.
I just go to the change my app recommendation settings. Just go to the app. No, just scroll down. Okay, just cross this. You can download VS Code. Okay, Joy, just download VS Code. Just cross all this. Cross all the tabs. Okay, now download VS Code. Just write VS Code download. Just type VS Code download. For 64-bit,
कौन
64-bit. You have 64-bit, right? Your machine is 64-bit Windows.
Maybe. The first
Yes.
option.
Yes. I think it is already running, already downloading. Yes, now accept the agreement. And next. Install.
So open.
Okay, now stop share. Okay, Bikram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now share your screen. Are you able to download?
Yes, sir. I'm installed.
So better you just download VS Code if you have problem with the Eclipse.
I have, sir. I have already VS Code and I download Eclipse also.
Okay.
And it install. So install it. So
Okay, it's already installed, right? Okay. Now stop share. Okay, Devendra. What is your okay? Devendra has joined with mobile, right? Okay, Devajyoti Mishra. Please share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is my VS Code. And sir, Eclipse is downloading, sir. Sir, how to add a extension in VS Code for Java, sir?
You just search the extension, Java extensions, and then you can install this.
Extension. I should GitHub. So this. So what is?
You can just write extension for Java. You just type an extension for Java.
So this is
extension app for Java. Okay, so you need extension, or I think you don't need extension.
sir, I need, sir. Sir, extension package for Java, it is in.
Java link formatting. You can do this, but I think your
So it
program
is already installed, sir. In
so done.
Sir, I have run. I
Yes,
was
tell
run,
me.
sir, C and C++, Java not run. Sir.
Okay,
Java
Okay,
run
sure.
in IntelliJ IDEA and NetBeans. Sir.
okay, but in VS Code also you can run Java. You just have to write the class name and .java. But we don't right now start the Java. We just start the HTML.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so everyone just listen. What is the process? Okay, just go to your any file. Go to your local disk where you just keep all the programs, all the HTML programs. Just go to any folder. Just minimize the VS Code. Minimize the VS Code. Hello, Devajit.
Yes, sir.
Just minimize the VS Code.
Okay, sir.
Minimize the VS Code, and I cannot share your screen. I cannot see your screen.
So how to share entire screen?
You just go to share screen and then just top left corner that's called screen. You just have to share.
Okay, sir. Screens. Okay, sir. So now is it visible?
Yes. Just minimize
Okay,
this.
sir. Okay, sir.
Go to your normal folder.
Okay, sir.
Where
So
you can
downloads?
keep where you can keep all the HTML programs. You can keep all the HTML programs in downloads, right?
Sir, HTML. So this is the file for HTML program.
This is the file for HTML. Okay, so you just so forget about the file. Just create a new file. Create a new folder.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to your VS Code and open that folder.
Okay. Sir. File, open file. Yes, sir. Desktop, new HTML. Yes. Sir, not opening, sir.
Open.
Sir, not working.
Just cancel this. Cancel this.
Cancel. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And just go to your file. Just go to your file. No, not that. Go to the upper,
Yes, sir.
the left folder, left file.
Okay, sir. File. Okay, sir. So open folder.
Open folder, yes. Now select this and select folder.
Sir, save.
Yes.
Workspace.
File name. Give any name. Okay, so everybody just see what he is doing. In that way, you just open the folder, create new folder, create new HTML folder, just whatever you name, and just go to that folder and you just create one file .html and you can give. Okay, so Devajyoti, now expand
Yes,
that folder, expand the new HTML folder. Just click, yes, expand that. No, not that. The previous what you are doing, that. Not that, not that. New, just expand the new HTML.
Okay, sir.
Now go to the new pages. Just write here, first program or whatever you like, give the name.
So dot HTML.
Yes, you have to always use the HTML extension. That is the main thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now stop share. So everybody just doing what is doing. Okay, so stop share.
Sir, it is already down. No, sir, fail. Okay, sir.
Okay, Vikram, have you downloaded the Eclipse? Hello, Vikram.
Yes, sir.
Have you downloaded the Eclipse?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, just share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Let it come.
Visual, sir.
Not visible. Actually, it is not visible actually. You can stop share, I can reshare.
Oops.
I think network.
It's visual, sir.
Yes, it's not. Okay, and add is your VS Code. Okay, Eclipse install. You can close this. It's a VS Code. Just what Devajit is doing, just do now. Okay, so your new file is PCS HTML, right? New folder. Yes, go to the new file. New file. Just give any name. .html. Yes, now enter. Yes. Okay. So let's start the first HTML and what is HTML that I understand. Okay, now stop share. Okay. I will give you one very good email website. Just I'm sharing. I'm sharing you the link in the chat box. Please all of you to see the chat box. All just open this in your system. Okay, so let's understand what is HTML. So I think you know you can understand up to now little bit understand that what is HTML. So HTML means hypertext markup language, and it will be mainly used for creating the web pages. Actually, when you create a website or when you create a web page, that's why you use HTML. HTML is the basic skeleton. The bones are our basic skeleton, right? The bones and blood, that's our basic skeleton. So HTML is the basic skeleton of any web page or any website. So that's called hypertext markup language. It's one type of language for building the attractive web pages. So first, it has so many tags actually. I'm just sharing the screen. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, before doing the program, you have to understand that thing. The doc type HTML. You have to write the doc type HTML. What is doc type HTML is doing? That is called document type HTML. What is the type of the document? That is called HTML. So you have to mention this first of the every program. That is called document type HTML. What he is saying, declaration defines that this document is an HTML type document. That is called document type HTML. And it is showing the version. It is showing the version of the HTML. That is called HTML5. As we and HTML5 is the latest version of the HTML. It is running already. And now we just write the tag, the Angular tag, then HTML, the root element of the HTML page. Actually, you have to write this. Otherwise, your program cannot run. Your HTML program cannot run the HTML tag. Now, next is your HTML. You have to start the HTML tag and end the tag. Just here. There is the basic syntax how you write the HTML line. Suppose your tag name HTML and then slash in the tag. You just open the tag and end the tag. Slash tag name. Just see this line that is called H1 means there is another tag that's called H1 tag that's called heading tag. Heading. You can give any heading in your website. Just write my first heading. And again, H1 it is a starting tag and it is a closing tag. Starting tag, closing tag, and your content, all your content goes there. That is in that we just write. That's called previous paragraph tag. My first paragraph. You can write anything here. In the body section, you can write anything. In between the start tag and end tag, just the starting tag and ending tag. In the ending tag, you just always give the slash. That's the symbol of the ending tag. There are so many tags out there, each one. So we can just start the first program, I think. And BR means each one is my first heading paragraph, and BR means none. Okay, so I'm stop share and we can just, okay, anyone have any problem? You can ask me. That is the basic syntax of the HTML, and in that way we just write the basic HTML programs. So all of you understand up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am just giving you the first program, first HTML program in the chat box. All step by step, I am just giving you all the programs in the chat box. You have to do this. You have to do this the program in your editor, and then you just show your screen. You have to type this. You have to type the program, and you can understand the program. Then you can copy and paste the program. I just give the whole program in the chat box. From there, you can type this. First 2-3 days, please try to type this. Then you can copy and paste in your editor. After you can understand the HTML whole thing, you can copy and paste. But first 1, 2, and 3 days, I recommend you to type this for your better understanding. So let's start with the first program. Just wait, I am giving you the program, and you have to do this, and you just share your screen with the output. And just give me little bit, tell me little bit history. So first HTML is goes in 1989. Tim Berners-Lee first invented the HTML. Tim Berners-Lee, one scientist actually, one engineer also, first invented HTML. And 1991 it can modify the HTML. And then after that 1997, 2000, 2008, 2012, 2014, 2016, and now 2017, HTML 5.2 actually. HTML 5.2 is it's actually found in 2017. So that is the thing. That is a little bit history actually. Okay, so I am just giving you the first program in the chat box. You just do this program. All of you do the program in your system. Just everyone just see in the chat box. I given the program. It is called starting the document type HTML. Let's say HTML, starting the HTML tag, and another tag is body tag. And under the body tag, you have to write your main content. What is the main content here? The main content is H1 tag, it's called heading, my first heading H1, paragraph tag, my first paragraph, and end the paragraph tag, and end the body tag in the HTML tag. That is the whole program of the first HTML. So everyone just type this. Okay, who can share? Okay, Devajyoti Mishra, can you share and type? Can you share the screen? Hello, Devajyoti. Okay, please share. Okay, just run, save this file first of all. Save this file. Yes, now run this. Code language not supported. Okay. You have to just go to the live server. Okay, just go to the go to your extension. Go to the extension. Just write here live server. Not light, live, L-I-V-E, live server. Not live, live. Yes, live server. And install this. Okay, now again just stop your cross the VS Code and again start. Restart your VS Code. Now start this again. Okay, now just click the go live. Now just click the go live. In the lower section, you can see go live. No, not you already installed the live server. You have to just go to the okay, go to the beside the HTML. Just one thing you just see go live. Down. In the down. Not there. You're down actually. Just go to go live. Okay, just give me control. Okay, that is go live.
Go live.
Okay, just give me the control. You just give me the request. Devajyoti, give me the request.
Sir, share.
No, just give me the request. You can see in the Zoom view options. And inside the view option, you can just see her request your control.
Okay, sir.
I am just share the
Share now.
I am just request.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Approve. Sir, it is okay, sir.
Yes. Just let me just you just see just this is my first heading and my first paragraph. Okay, understand Devajyoti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you little bit explain that code? What
Sir,
it is doing?
how to run, sir? Sir, how to run?
Just go to the port.
Yes, sir.
550.
550. Okay, sir. Port.
Click this. It will stop.
Okay, sir.
Then again click this. Go live. Again click.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That is the thing. Your browser
Thank you,
is
sir.
automatically open. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can you explain the first program?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is a body. So this is the starting of body and this is the end of body. And this is the system of HTML code. This is starting HTML and this is the end of HTML. And each one is the size of word actually.
Yes.
Or P, sir, I not remember it, sir. P, what is P, sir? What
Actually, P is actually it's called paragraph. If you write any paragraph in your website, you can write anything. Here it can write my
Okay,
first
sir.
paragraph.
Okay.
You can write it.
Okay,
So
sir.
H1 is a tag, sir.
Yes, H1 is one tag and P is also one tag. H1 is heading and H1 is, there are so many types. Okay, Devajiti, just give enter after the line number 5. Yes, now here write H2. There are 6 heading you can write H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Just give H2. Write anything. Middle, in the middle, you have to write. In the middle. Yes, write anything.
Sir, I copy this and run this. Sir.
Yes. Now, you just see here the
Now it is
bold. Yes, it is okay. Working. My first heading, and then it is slightly small. It will appear my first heading, then my first paragraph. This P tag. If you write here H3, it will also very small also. That's why H1 is very big, then H2 is like small, H3, H4, H5, and H6. H6 is very small. There are 6 heading tag we can use. You can write H3 tag, just write H3 tag. And just yes, and just see. Yes. Now understand?
Yes, sir.
Now stop share. Then we move to the next program. Just wait, I am giving you the next program. First of all, we have to practice this small program. Then we have to go to the bigger one. First of all, we have to practice small programs. Again, I am just sharing in the chat box. Just see, just do this code. Okay, now, Joy, can you share your screen? expand the VS Code. Okay, you don't run the previous one, John?
Yes, sir.
You don't run the previous one.
No, sir. Same
Okay, so you
issue.
have, okay, so you have to download. Okay, just expand the VS Code. Expand the window. Expand the VS Code window.
So again, repeat, sir.
Expand the VS Code window. Not that, not that. Expand the VS Code window. Okay, just give me control. I'm just okay. Just I'm requesting you. Give me control. Just see here. You have to just go to the extension, and in the extension, just right here. The first one, and you have to install this. Close this, and again start the VS Code. Okay, now Joy, just listen. Here you can write the code here, and just if you see the code go live, you just click the go live. The browser will automatically come, and just see here is your second program. This is correct. This is correct.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now stop share. Anyone has any problem regarding?
Sir, in this paragraph tag, it's no need to close the tag.
Yes, you have to close the tab of this.
So here p tag is not closed, but
Okay, share your screen. Okay, just go to your code. Yes, your p tag is already in that. Yes. Okay, it's perfectly running. Okay, understand, Vikram?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now stop share. Okay, Orgodi, please share your screen.
Please wait, sir. I am joining from mobile.
Okay. Hello, Orgodi. You have any
Yes,
issue?
sir.
You have any issue?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen and show the
I
top.
am no, sir. I am joining from mobile. I joining from laptop. Then say show you.
Okay. Okay, we can move to the next program. So we can move to the next program. Just do this program. I'm just already shared. It is one tag. It's called BR tag. It's called break tag. So the line is breaking. This is a paragraph with a line break. So the first this is a and then paragraph with a line break. So that is so BR tag. So one tag is included. It's called BR tag, and you don't need to the BR tag. You just why do you just give the break? You just use the BR tag. This is a then break, then paragraph with a line break. Then in the paragraph tag, then in body and string. Just do this program. Okay, Joy, please share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you just already see here. This is a then break paragraph with a line break, right? This is the BR tag, actually.
Okay, sir.
You understand the program, Joy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then this is a then break, then paragraph with a line break. That is the output. Okay, now stop share and stop share, please. Okay, so now up to this, and we can move to the next. It's already because it is already 10:18. Okay, so we can move forward in the next day. Okay, is it okay for everyone?
Sir, one question.
Yes.
there is no need to close the beer tag.
Yes, yes. You have to don't need to close the beer. You have to close the p tag, but you don't need to close the beer.
Okay, sir.
Where you can break this, you can just write any paragraph, then just give the beer tag.
Okay, sir.
Yes.